Guys, so it's already mag-12 o'clock na. So ang usapan 12:30 pero nandun yung pick up sa bayan. Nagmamadali tuloy kami ngayon. So hanap kami ng tricycle. Papuntang bayan. Paunti kami ng Ponte. So dati, every hiking, meron kami kasamang dalawang first timer eh. Ngayon, dalawa lang kami natira.
Galing, may isang first timer.
May isang first timer si DK. So nandun na sila sa may bayan. So kami ay nagmamadali na. Yan, nasa bayan na kami. Natatanong na namin yung van. Kaya hinintay pa kami. Babay na.
Flashback.
Itong 562 eh. Bago din yan.
Ito na pag-desisyonan daw namin.
Yung tinigito yung bird. Baliw. Tagal na kasi sa akin yan. Last year na yun.
Nag-decide na ba?
Nag-decide na lahat. Old trail to new trail daw kami. Ayan guys, so we're here na sa may Batangas. Ayan si Jeff oh. Tagal namin din nakita niyan. Dito pala,
Nagkita kami dito lang pala sa bundok.
sa bundok lang pala kami magkikita nito.
Hindi na sa
Tagal,
Inuman.
tagal namin nag-set, diyan sumasama eh. CK, bago namin recruit. First time niya, Mother Mountain niya to, Panis. Nag 4 over na yung agad.
Kasi pag all trail po tayo, mag-additional po. Mag-balik kayo ng 200 feet. Nangyayari na lang po, mamaya mababasan yung trail. Wala makapag-like sa... Hindi po kami sabi
It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's
So nag-start na kami ng trail. Hindi namin nasabi ko sa kami umakyat. Mount Batunaw. 4 over na difficulty. Ang decision namin kasi new trail. Tapos kanina nag-stop over lang. Nagbago na yung decision. Old trail na raw.
Let's leave the past behind.
Mayroon pa ba ba dito? Bumalik.
sunshine and light. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles come hold my hand. Let's find something new.
Here at Kampla.
Let's make footprints in the
Oras na, 4 a.m.
Let's make miracles come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you.
Naantok ako. Nakapantulog eh. Ayun guys, so may lokal nagbebenta ng McDo. Eh,
Guys, bili ka guys.
guro sa umaga, lokal sa gabi.
Yeah, daw pwede kasama.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads
Malapit kami sa buwan, guys, oh.
open are many when the old ones gone undone.
Si Tumbler yung kulay pink eh. Iwan ko na kaya ito.
Kaya na ba yan?
Iwan ko na to. Gago, dali mo yan. Ibigay.
Angkol na lang.
Abatang lang.
Ibabalik kita.
Sa nanay mong bugo. Suko.
Kahit kainin mo. Ganyan ka.
Ngayon tapos na.
Wala namang
Di pa.
beef sa mundo. Pinas mo.
Ito. Malapit na tayo sa buwan, no? Talking to the moon.
Napicturean niya na.
Wow, fresh pa din eh. Okay na. Nag-old trip, pero fresh pa din eh.
Sir, dun sa makaakyat.
Picture ng artista. Yan.
Oh shit. Ano na? Di pa tayo naka 2 hours.
Camera or love.
All that ever was is a rise. Today and not tomorrow.
Gagi ka.
Meron kayo sa saklan dito. Punta ka sa kabila.
Today, well, something's gotta give today. It's a good
Buti naglabs ako. Saan ba? Tagopwar. Kasi may dalawang tao.
Akala ko hindi ko yung COVID.
Malapit lang ako kayo sir.
Kasi akala niya tuloy-tuloy.
and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow.
Nabidyoan mo yung kalokohan.
Something's gotta give today. Is a
Sir, sir.
good day today and not tomorrow.
Sige ko daw. Pahirapan niyo sarili niyo. Hindi kayo mapakali sa bahay, di ba? Papalinga sa akin eh.
Awa. Awa, kita po kaya kita.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home.
Teka lang.
One eternity later.
I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew. In the end, what I found.
Sige, wala ka, 50% lang yan.
Summit. See you proud. See you proud. Waiting na namin sa ano namin. Yung turn namin para makapag-picture sa ano. Saan ano ka ba? Hindi namin nakapag-video kanina kasi ginamit na yung phone na dahil wala siyang flashlight.
Ito ang hirap mag-video par. Kasi grade 6 kami mauna. Hirap mag-video.
Tired. Anong oras na? 6:53. Nag-start kami mag-akyat is 3 AM, no? Ang bilis nga natin. Ito lang 3, 4, 5. Siguro mga ano, 5:30 or mga 5:30, hindi ko natawag sa amin. 3 AM kami nag-start, 5:30 kami nakarating sa amin. Ngayon, mag-alas 7 na. So tapos ang picture, pababa na kami. So di namin alam kung madali ba itong pababa na to.
Nothing is as sweet going so long.
Hiring daw po. Hiring daw po kami.
Change my mind.
Hanggang dito naghanap. Doon kinati Ali.
Hiring na.
Production operator po.
Hanggang dito.
Kala ko pwede ako dyan.
Hanggang dito nagtatrabaho pa rin. Ano ko magbigay niya?
The rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Alam mo ba kung bakit batulaw ang tawag?
Bakit?
Alam mo ba kung bakit batulaw ang tawag? Ilaw sa bato.
Ba't may ilaw ba yung bato?
Hindi, pag nasisinagad ang araw, parang nasinag daw yung liwanag dun sa may pagitan ng mga bato. Kaya tinawag siyang batulaw, ilaw sa bato. Diba? Kuya Kim?
I'm coming.
Antay namin tawagin ng principal namin. Traffic. Ikala ko sa EDSA lang may traffic.
Ganun pa kita ng tao. Informal na.
Kumimik lang ng BGC.
Oo.
Tapos inaya lang ako. Yeah, bro, let's hide.
I feel like I need to leave, bro. Let's go.
Yung mga nasa taas kanina, no?
Traffic kami, traffic.
Take your time. You're not there, miss. Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine. I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them. And be kind when it's what you prefer. How about when you can't see your way out and
Pier na yan, pati sa bundok may yun o.
Malapit ka na magpahinga.
Lasing ko na oh.
Kuya, kumain kami.
Tapos na.
Eh.
Baba
na,
Ulo nyo na, wala nang pakyat.
I just have to say I miss my best friend. Seeing her smile, still I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them. And be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see your way out, help you fight, and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway and chill out on Sundays. Stop, just hold on a minute. This part is nearly finished. You'll get a fresh start. So count to 10, take a deep breath. This is the only way you'll ever find out that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway and chill out on Sundays. It won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway and chill out on Sundays.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this.
Kaya nakakawa yung kabayong init.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this. If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day, it is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways.
Lalaitin ko talaga kayo kung nagkabayo.
Yung mga spoken.
Ina yung mga ampas.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track.
Like, napinta ang video ko na.
Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
Yun, so, pababa na kami. Sobrang init. Flashback yun sa Mount Marikina. Ganito kami pinatay ng Marikina. Nung init.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong.
Pababa na kami. Tapos, diretso na kami sa parking din. Nabanlaw na kami. Ano?
But still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I got, it is just enough to get by.
Okay na yun.
Oh, now I know
Tatag na rin.
what it means to grow old.
Gaming.
Ilang minutes nga natin yung
Yeah,
lakad
now
nila.
I know
Go, Kish. Let's go. Let's go. Dali. Okay, dapat patunayan pa. Pauwi na tayo. Let's go. Ayaw na.
Come a little closer. Wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset, making you looking good tonight.
Ilang araw pa naman walang kain ng kanin eh.
Sarap yan.
It's what you do. It's making me feel
Isisigaw.
Bisigar. Ah, sige.
moving. I can
naglalakad kami pa terminal ng tricycle. Dahil kami ay binaba sa SM walk trip. Lakad na sa bundok, naglakad sa dito.
Ito, 5 over na yun. Hindi.
Pagod. Bye.
Yan guys, dito namin sa Dasma. Kakauwi na namin galing Batulao. So first time namin umuwi na may araw. Kasi kapit bahay lang naman yung Batangas kaya maga kami nakauwi. So ano, sobrang satisfied kami sa hike namin dahil nag-level up kami. For over 9, nakasurvive! Yeah, so next month ulit may hike kami April 18 sa Nasugbu Trilogy. Tatlong bundok yun, Mount Apayang ba yun? Mount Lantic tsaka Mount Talanita. Dalawang 3 over 9, isang 4 over 9. Pilati aliw kami magbubuk.